The cooling fan of the iC2-Micro is located directly below the frequency converter. First, identify the position of the fan. Press the buckle and remove the fan. Turn the fan over to take out the wiring terminal. And then pull out the terminal to remove the fan. Then, take out the new fan. And connect the cables to the terminal. Restore the cable and terminal to its original position. Turn the fan over and press it against the body of the frequency converter. Now, the cooling fan replacement is completed.